show that you want to work, and then the rest is on mycar. They'll get you the apprenticeship, they'll enrol you in TAFE, and you can start your career from there. Hello, my name is Kristel and I'm the workshop controller for mycar West Lakes. I applied for quite a lot of companies, however mycar was the only one who gave me a chance for an interview, and it went really well, and now I've been working here for about 4 years. A day in the life of an apprentice at mycar starts in the morning. You come in, you get the roller doors up, you move the cars out from the previous day. You have a job board that is assigned to you, so you have all of your jobs for the day laid out with times. You go grab your first one. It would be either servicing, tyres, brakes, mechanical repairs, stuff like that. You go through your day. What I look forward to coming to work every day would be seeing the team. We're all really close-knit. We're all basically a family. Seeing them, learning from them, just getting new experiences along the way and being able to teach people as well stuff that I know that they may not know, especially now in my new role where I'm a workshop controller. The new round of apprentices that come in, I run through servicing with them, repairs with them. I give them support that I had as well coming in. So it's really nice to be able to teach people and get that experience, even just for myself. There's probably a couple, mainly learning and being better as a mechanic myself and being able to smash bigger jobs out in shorter time frames, doing a lot of clutches, timing belts, oil coolers on a cruise, which are really, really common. And then apart from that, having people rely on me and knowing that I do a good job enough to get recognised that way, it makes me feel really good, makes me feel like I'm a good technician, that I'm doing my job right. But a big moment would have to be being offered and promoted to workshop controller while I was still in my apprenticeship, which is not very heard of, and that felt really good to be able to be recognised like that, and it makes me feel like I've done a really good job. There's been quite a few cool cars that I've seen along the way and worked on. There's probably 3 that come to mind. One being like a postman pat van, a little Austin van that came in, very tiny, could hardly fit on the hoist because it was so thin. And then apart from that, we had an R32 GTR Skyline that came in. That's the one that I got to work on personally, which was pretty cool. And then probably a twin turbo Toyota Soar as well. I'm a very big fan of Japanese cars, so that was definitely a highlight for me. Sticking to your apprenticeship, because it's 4 years and you might not get the bigger jobs that you want at start, but it's definitely worth sticking with it if you've got the passion there and it's something you really want to do, because you get your certificate afterwards, you're a qualified technician, you can go off and do multiple different things and specialise in things instead of just being a service technician. And you can be a service technician if you want, or you can go and be an engine builder, you can work in motorsport, whatever your heart desires. This is just basically a pathway for that, and it's 4 years, and then you can go off and do so many more different things. It's physically demanding and you're going to struggle at points, but that's all a part of learning. Everyone has those points. Everyone's going to mess something up. Everyone's going to break something. But as long as you learn from it, that's the main key. And just be passionate about your job to push you through and keep going, keep going.